We have seen several flip-flops from your government, especially not to forget this issue, appeared, reappeared, disappeared. And in the monsoon session, we have seen the government saying it has a unanimous support on the issue of Telangana. The Congress MPs also from Andhra Pradesh are on board. What really went against you?
I do not call it a flip-flop, because this is something which is quite natural to this kind of a decision. Demand for Telangana is an issue which is a history of 60 years. No governments in India had the courage to implement this decision. BJP government, when they came, they formed 3 states. At that point of time also this was a lively issue, but they did not dare to touch it. Congress party knows that, in Andhra it is a stronghold of the Congress party. If we take a decision, it will be a risky decision. Half of Andhra will revolt against the Congress. We were quite conscious about that.
But many would also say, political analysts also feel that you have done your serious political calculations as far as carving out a separate state of Telangana is concerned, and especially not to forget the recent suggestion of Royal Telangana adding 2 more districts.
No, that was not a very serious suggestion, but this was our commitment. In 2004, in the United UPA's manifesto, we have announced it. Subsequently, on very many occasions, and it is a decision of the Congress Working Committee, we have requested the government. Government has taken a decision. Cabinet formed a subcommittee. See, all these formalities are completed.
Okay, so you are saying your government is not going back on the decision of having a separate state of Telangana. The government is very sincere, very genuine as far as having the separate state of Telangana is concerned. But Mr. Joshi, your game plan, what is BJP's Telangana game plan? As of now, it looks like on the issue of Telangana, your party is very divided.
Our party is not at all divided, and this is it could have been avoided. This embarrassment to the government, if government has mishandled it. See, Chakoji was telling BJP did not dare it. Though there is no constitutional bar as far as creation of new state is concerned, then Home Minister and then Prime Minister during our